Hello everyone, my name is Aleksandra Bursac and today I will be reading to you a piece that I have written during this global pandemic called The Silent One, which is included in this book called Global Insights First Edition. The Silent One. The sky looks the same, I tell myself, trying to reach my head close to the window without touching it. I lift my eyes up as much as I can. I notice small particles of dust and a few dry drops of water on the glass. Panic builds inside me in a way it never did before. Just don't look too close, stay calm and you'll get out soon, I continue telling myself. What used to be a pleasant ride on the public bus from home to work is now an unbearable and highly demanding task. Once the outbreak reached Berlin, life as we knew it took a very harsh turn. One's own business suddenly became everyone's business. People started spying on other people's activities, and as soon as they found something that seemed inappropriate to them, they didn't fail to report it. Where is all this heading? I ask myself once more as I try to keep my distance from the people going in and out of the bus. Everything seems narrower now. The seats look dirty and dangerous, while the bus handle equals infection. Most of the people inside the bus are wearing masks, except for a few who have tied scarves around their faces. There is only one person standing in front of me, facing front, who is not wearing any protection. I notice people's irritated looks looming toward her. I still don't know what to think of the woman. I don't even want to know the reason she's not covering her face. The bus stops. 3 stations left and then I'm out, I encourage myself. Known for its vibrant mix of cultures, Berlin is usually a city that's free and open to anything. But after the spread of the COVID-19, it has become unrecognizable. I look around and notice the woman without protection has started coughing. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and more. The people in the bus have become anxious, some of them demanding that she leave immediately, others wanting to exit the bus themselves. The woman keeps coughing. The bus driver yells at her to get out. My station arrives. I get off, numbly walking away from the bus. The silent one, I think. It is always best to be the silent one. I have written this piece in March as a part of a personal experience that I faced here in Berlin when this virus started spreading and people became more conscious that it was indeed a very serious situation. I have been part of this and wanted to express my feelings, which I have done in this wonderful work. Once again, Global Insights. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you very much for listening.